Broncos outside linebacker Jonathon Cooper is looking at tougher charges after conflicts with his girlfriend led to arrest. The district attorney in Douglas County is now adding the charge related to grabbing her by the neck in an incident last week. Alan Janae is here with the very latest. And Alan, this follows a second arrest yesterday evening after he showed up at his girlfriend's apartment.
Yeah, that's why he was in court this morning after spending the night in jail. Says a lot here. He was arrested for violating a civil protection order and repeat telephone calls. But as the day wore on today, a move by prosecutors to up charges on last week's incident made his legal problems far more serious. It was after OTAs Thursday when Jonathon Cooper reportedly created more trouble for himself by trying to contact the same woman he was arrested with last week. Cooper is accused of sending a series of text messages and showing up outside her apartment in Centennial. The 5'4" woman did not answer the texts or the door for the 6'4" player, telling police she was in fear. It led to more time in court, following an appearance in which he was charged with criminal mischief after law enforcement showed up at his residence where there had been an argument with the woman over phones and her allegations that he was having an affair. At the OTAs, Coach Payton talked about handling Cooper's situation delicately.
We'll stay as informed as possible. We'll follow the league's guidelines, and I'm sure that will be a lot of that will be led by the local authorities' guidelines. So we'll pay attention to all of it.
There is more to pay attention to today. Prosecutors filed an affidavit in the case looking to up charges, and a judge signed off. In it, they wrote, when asked, "How did you grab her neck?" Cooper responded, "Aggressive." The woman was taken to Anschutz Medical Center, where forensic nurses were asked whether she had injuries to the neck. The right nurses told the police officer she had sustained serious bodily injury, signing off on strangulation with hypoxia and traumatic brain injury. Now he's facing the additional charges of assault, strangulation, and misdemeanor assault. Now the strangulation charge, the first one I talked about there, that's a felony. If convicted, it carries a penalty of up to 8 years, possibly. In addition, he faces misdemeanor charges for last night's incident as well as last week's incident. Judge let him out on a $5,000 bond today for last night's incident without a GPS monitor. He'll still face a bond hearing, though, on the new charges. And being that they are more serious, that bond could change. It's possible.